Pleasant good morning to all my dear students. I think all of you are well and all of you are very energetic and you are doing your work honestly. Students, already I have completed lesson 3 and 4. Multiplication and division is there in lesson 3 and 4. I think your concept is clear regarding the two chapters. So many sums I have given you and you have completed this one. Examination is there and this chapter is your portion. And I think all of you are practicing these two chapters. Students, your predict test will be held from 21st and I think all of you are revising your portion. Students, your examination is a type of e-learning examination and questions are in the Google form. Students, so many instructions are there. Once again, I am going to share with you such instructions for the best result. Students, first you will read the questions and there are so many gaps are there and you have to fill that information. First, your father name, your name, class, sections, admission number. You will fill these all informations rightly because if there is any error, then we face difficulties for the marks. So please don't be in hurry and fill all the informations correctly. Second one instruction. Students, all of you read the question and you keep your copy and pencil inside with you. And first you do the rough work in the rough copy and then you give the answers. Don't be in hurry. So much time is there. Question is of objective type, but there are so many calculations and in hurry you are not doing your calculation properly. So the answer is wrong. So please you take time 3 minutes, 4 minutes and then you complete the work and then you will give the answers. Third one thing and very important thing, I have seen during examination, so many students are submitting their paper 4 times, 5 times. It is not good for you. You have to submit the paper only 1 times. So this time a hard instructions I am giving you that you will submit your paper only 1 time. More than 1 time submission will be not allowed and that copy will be cancelled. So you please keep it in your mind that only once time you have to submit the paper. You do your work properly and then submit the paper. Take the time, do rough work and then submit it. Students, today I am not going to explain any new topics. Only the portions of the periodic test is given and from that portion I have taken the sums and you will have to practice of these sums. Here some sums but problems are given. You take out your copy and do your word problems in that copy. Practicing is very necessary for good marks. So practice again and again. So start your word problems. First question is, there are 850 toffees in a packet and how many toffees are there in 215 packets? Second one, a can of oil contains 15 liters of oil. How much oil is there in 240 such cans? C, there are 238 beads in a necklace. Find the total number of beads in 167 such necklaces. D, 1 dozen bananas cost rupees 36. What is the cost of 720 dozen bananas? Last one, there are 100 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 75 such books? These problem sums are based on multiplication. So all of you do your work properly. Rough work is must. In the side of the copy, you will do the rough work, and with the process, you will solve all the word problems. Students, previous slide was the question. In this slide, I am sending you the answer of that questions. All of you are instructed to please cross-check your copy and then you send the answer. And you have to follow the given process. Without process, you can't get full marks. So process is must and you follow the process also. So I am written here all the process and you follow it. Students, it is the slide of remaining question C and D. Do it and cross check it. Students, this is the answer of the last questions, and I think all of you know it and you can do it nicely. Students, this is the next topic. Complete the following table. Means you have to find out the quotient and remainder. According to the rule, already I have explained it, how you will divide orally by 10, 100, 1000. So please recall that rule and then solve this table. Students, this is the slide of previous question. Please cross check it and then you send the answers to me. It is the slide of objective type of questions. Tick the correct answer. As you know, you are well acquainted with such type of questions. 4 options are given here. Only one option is correct. Which one option is correct? You have to tick it. So I know all of you know it and do it properly. Second question, solve the following sums. It means this is multiplication and you have to find out the product. A, B, C, D is given here. Multiply it and then write the product of these sums. Students, question number 3 is replace the asterisk by correct number. So easy, only you recall the multiplication table and you fill up it. Next question is your division. 2000 by 12, 6682 by 45. So you divide it and find out the question and remainder. One thing you can see here, slides of the answer is there in the middle of the questions. So you will cross check this question with the help of this answers slide. Students, question number 5 is, given that 270 multiplied by 15 is 4050, then find the product of 270 multiplied by 16 and 270 multiplied by 14. Once again, I am going to explain this one because here 270 into 16, it means greater than 1 greater than 15. So you add 270 here, then you will get the answer. And the next question, 270 multiplied by 14. It means it is 1 less than 15. So you subtract 270 from the product, then you will get the answers. In this way, you solve all the questions of the practice set. Students, after a lot of practice, now it's the time of homework. So gladly we accept your homework. Do it because it is the time of hard labor. So all of you, do your work properly for the best result. So homework is here. Divide and check your answers. Second one is the find the question and the remainder. Do your work Honestly, it is must for you. Students, in the whole practice, only one thing is remaining, that is problem sums based on division. Lastly, these questions are given. Problem sums is there, which is based on division. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Already I have explained all these questions. So I think you can do it. All of you are very energetic and you can do. So all of you will do it and then your answers you will send me on the WhatsApp. So this is all about for today. Have a nice day.